Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears in the microwave, only way. Melt gelatin and sugar with water in a microwave-safe bowl, heating in short bursts and stirring until smooth, then pour into silicone molds and chill until set. I'll guide you through measurements, texture checks, and quick flavor tips so your gummies come out chewy and flavorful every time, with simple steps anyone can follow. Start with accurate measurements to get consistent results and avoid floppy or brittle gummies. Bloom gelatin in cold water for about a minute, then combine with sugar and optional flavorings before heating. Microwave in 15-second intervals while stirring until the mixture is glossy and smooth, then pour into molds, tap to remove air, and chill until set for chewy, flavorful gummy bears. Too soft gummies mean more gelatin or less liquid is needed, so reduce water slightly or add 1 extra packet of gelatin. If gummies are grainy, heat a bit longer and whisk vigorously to dissolve sugar completely, then strain for perfect smoothness. For texture variation, try 1/4 honey for sweetness or 3.5% fruit juice for bright flavor, and always cool fully before unmolding to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.